Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 26 Somerville Road in Leven. This is a really well presented 2-bedroom, spacious ground floor flat with garden space to the front. So what I'm going to do is take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer, and as always keep listening until the end for how you can get further details. So this is the entrance to your property, number 26. Straight away you can see really well presented, and that standard continues throughout the whole property. But before we head inside, let me show you the outdoor space. So this is your entrance to your property via this monoblock path, and access just via that timber gate just there. Ample on-street parking, as you can see, plenty of space there for us. We've got a great day as well to really showcase this front garden. So this is private for the ground floor flat. So you have all this monoblock seating in that corner just there, and you can see it's about 10:30 this morning and the sun is beating down here. We've got a lovely day. You've got that later lawn and all these mature shrubs and plants, so beautifully maintained, and a great entrance to your property. So let's continue the tour and head inside. But I love just seeing all these colours, especially this time of year as well. Let's head inside and start the tour. So we come into your entrance hallway. Straight away you can see moving condition, ready to go. You have storage just on our left here. We then come into bedroom number 1. So really great sized, easily fit a double or even a king in this space. Lovely and bright as well. You can see you have that shelving just there with the small almost downlighters going down. That's a lovely feature. Big window as well, so letting in plenty of light. And what's great as well is you have double fitted wardrobes, so ample storage as well in here. And then if we continue on the tour, we then come into your living room space. So again, a really great size, really spacious property. You're actually spoilt with this one. Again, lovely big window, letting all that natural light flood in, especially on a day like today. But ample space for all your living room furniture. And then just in that corner just there is the cupboard that houses the boiler. But this is your living room space. I just can't get over how quiet it is here. You maybe even heard the wind chimes at the beginning from the garden. But then we come into your second bedroom. So again, a good size, easily fit a double in here. Let me just try and give you an idea of the size. But this is your second bedroom. And then again, you have a storage cupboard just there. So a good amount of storage with this property as well. And then coming along, we'll head into the bathroom. So as I said, this is moving condition, ready to go, really contemporary as well. So you have that floor to ceiling wet wall, you have your large bath with your shower overhead, and then your WC wash hand basin and your heated towel rails, and even attention to detail like all the downlighters as well. So newly renovated, lovely contemporary bathroom. That theme then continues into your kitchen as well. So this is your great sized kitchen, ample cabinet and worktop space. You can see there's also space for your white good appliances. You have your integrated oven and hob. Again, a lovely contemporary kitchen. And again, you can see the downlighters on the roof just there. So this is your kitchen space. You could probably even get like a small breakfasting kind of table, a high one in this space, just for somewhere to obviously sit and eat. But let's have a recap of 26 Somerville Road. That was the personal property tour for 26 Somerville Road in Leven. As you've just seen for yourself, really well presented, moving condition, ready to go, 2-bedroom, spacious ground floor flat. You're getting that beautiful landscape garden to the front. Coming inside, you're getting those 2 generous sized bedrooms, that contemporary bathroom, and this modern fitted kitchen, which is just beautiful, as well as having all of your amenities on your doorstep as well, making it a great location because you're just a short distance to the retail park for shops, as well as Leven High Street for further amenities, As well, what's great as well is you have the bus routes connecting you all across Fife for commuting, as well as the train station if you need to get to Edinburgh and beyond. So great property ready to go, and an even better location with everything on your doorstep. So if you'd like to get further details, you can either message me directly, click the link, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at Fife Properties, take care.